Welcome back. In this short section, we'll be talking about Certificate of Waivers and the different waiver types. If there's a need to deviate from the rules and regulations of Part 107, you'll need to fill out a Certificate of Waiver. These are only granted if the proposed operation can be conducted under the terms of the Certificate of Waiver. Let's cover the different waiver types. If you need to deviate from the rules regarding moving vehicles and aircraft operations in populated areas, if you need to deviate from the rules for visual line of sight, yeah, there's a waiver for that. Also, for daylight operations, there's a waiver for that. This is usually for operations at night, but that's going to change soon. There's a waiver to work outside of the rules for a visual observer, and also a waiver for operating multiple small unmanned aircraft systems. There's also a waiver for yielding right-of-way and operations over people. And that last one, that one will change soon too. All right, the last two waiver types. Operations in certain airspace. Let's say you're a home inspector and you need to inspect the roof of a house, and that house happens to be located within the surface area of a core of a Class C airspace. This would be something you might want. Also, if there is a need to exceed the sUAS operating limitations.